We have the best tips and tricks for you to achieve this. You won't believe how easy it is to make it. These step-by-step guides will save your life in case you need to make homemade coconut cream or you just feel like making it from scratch. What is coconut cream? Coconut cream is like pastry cream, a sweet preparation with which we can fill any dessert or simply serve as an accompaniment. It is a very easy to make recipe, and for those who enjoy the flavor that this tropical fruit provides, it is a delight. How to thicken coconut milk. Guide 1: Thickening with cornstarch. Cornstarch is a white powder, with a much silkier and finer texture than flour, and is mainly used as a thickener. It is an essential ingredient in cooking. It is used to make light doughs, thicken soups, and make sauces, among other culinary uses. Ingredients: 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water. Step by step. Step 1. Mix water and cornstarch. You can use a fork to mix them until combined. Then, grab a saucepan, pour the coconut milk and simmer to low heat. Add the slurry and stir until thickens. Step 2. Once the coconut cream has thickened, remove it from the heat. Strain the cream with a fine strainer over a bowl or container. After that, let it cool to room temperature. Guide 2: Reducing the coconut milk. Reducing sauces in the kitchen is very simple, but it also requires patience and attention. Coconut milk will thicken naturally when the water it contains slowly begins to evaporate. Check it out. Ingredients: 1 cup of coconut milk. Sugar to taste. Step by step. Step 1. Bring the coconut milk to high heat. You'll notice small bubbles once it starts to boil. Then, lower the flame to low heat. Continue stirring. Step 2. Once the coconut cream has been reduced, remove it from the heat. Strain the cream with a fine strainer over a bowl or container. Let it cool at room temperature before using it, or use it immediately if you're cooking a warm dish. Guide 3: Make coconut cream from coconut meat. This is not as easy as the first 2 guides we already told you about. However, its way of making it from scratch is the richest way of doing it. Ingredients: 4 cups of coconut meat, 1 cup of water, sugar to taste. Step by step. Step 1. Shred the coconut meat. Then, grab the saucepan or casserole and pour the water and the shredded coconut meat into it at high heat. Let it boil and turn off the flame. Step 2. Remove from the oven and let it cool at room temperature. Once it's completely cool, sift the mixture with the cheesecloth and press it with your hands to remove any excess liquid. Then, set aside. Step 3. Let it sit at room temperature and away from sunlight. Keep it in a fresh place. In about an hour or so, you'll notice a layer of coconut cream floating and rising to the top. Tips and tricks. I hope you enjoy these 3 easy ways to make coconut cream from scratch. And please feel free to ask if you have any questions. We'll always be happy to help. Cheers to all my keto friends out there. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.